What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a procedure used for solving a problem or performing a computation. Algorithms act as an exact list of instructions that conduct specified actions step by step in either hardware or software-based routines. Algorithms are widely used throughout all areas of IT. In mathematics and computer science, an algorithm usually refers to a small procedure that solves a recurrent problem. Algorithms are also used as specifications for performing data processing and play a major role in automated systems. An algorithm could be used for sorting sets of numbers or for more complicated tasks, like recommending user content on social media. Algorithms typically start with initial input and instructions that describe a specific computation. When the computation is executed, the process produces an output. How do algorithms work? Algorithms can be expressed as natural languages, programming languages, pseudocode, flowcharts, and control tables. Natural language expressions are rare, as they are more ambiguous. Programming languages are normally used for expressing algorithms executed by a computer. Algorithms use an initial input along with a set of instructions. The input is the initial data needed to make decisions and can be represented in the form of numbers or words. The input data gets put through a set of instructions, or computations, which can include arithmetic and decision-making processes. The output is the last step in an algorithm and is normally expressed as more data. For example, a search algorithm takes a search query as input and runs it through a set of instructions for searching through a database for relevant items to the query. Automation software acts as another example of algorithms, as automation follows a set of rules to complete tasks. Many algorithms make up automation software, and they all work to automate a given process.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject. And if you agree with the AI, you can also leave recommendations, what we should ask GPT-3 AI.